Good morning. I'm the founder of Doki Technologies, Casper. At Doki, we aim to create a world of seamless technology and connectivity between parents and their children. And we aim to connect parents and their children with innovative IoT devices. Now, a common question that most parents have is when are kids really ready for smartphones? Currently, there are no suitable solutions. Mobile devices has common issues as exposure to inappropriate content, addiction to screen time, security, and pricing. Now, we at Doki Technologies created a solution, a smartwatch designed and developed with both parents and kids in mind. Doki Watch is the world's first 3G smartwatch and location tracker with video calling, voice calling, SOS, and fitness features all combined into one simple device. It gives parents the freedom, the kids the freedom to be kids, and also parents the peace of mind that they need. Now, we are the first ever smartwatch with video calling feature, so this is a patented technology that we have, and it's issued in various countries already. We're also integrating Amazon Alexa by Q4, so essentially we will have AI integration with our Doki Watch. We raised over $400,000 on Kickstarter and Indiegogo, and making us one of the highest funded mobile devices for children on the crowdfunding campaign. Some of our feature press. Our business model is really threefold: direct e-commerce, distribution, and also partnerships with telecom operators. For example, in Hong Kong, we are already partnering with SmartTone, CSL, and 1010 to bundle service plan together with the watch itself. We're also developing in-app subscription plans and also in-app purchases. And this is more as a premium service to our customers. And also in the future, we're looking into enterprise solutions. Now, the global smartwatch market is going to reach over $17.4 billion by 2020, and the kids segment can represent over $1 billion of business in this segment. We're also working on geo-based ad content to be able to, whereby we will push ad or content to the parents' app based on the children's location. Also, e-wallet payment solution, whereby parents are able to transfer funds or allowances into Doki Watch. They'll be able to track all the transactions through our Doki app, and essentially also teach kids money management skills. Our financial and user projections, last year we did about $1.2 million in revenue. This year we're on track to do $3 million US in revenue. And our user base has also increased exponentially throughout the past year and a half. Our team consists of an array of different experts. In Hong Kong, we have our management and also marketing, operations, and business development team. And in Shenzhen, we have our engineering and software development team. Thank you.
How is Qihoo 360's watch selling? Are they selling well? How much, what kind of volume do they have versus what you are having?
Well, in China, you're referring to Qihoo, the product in China, correct? Yeah. So in China, there are several competitors. For example, Xiao is one, and also Qihoo is another. But as far as the volume goes, they're very focused on the domestic market. It's a very big market. We're looking at over 2 million units sold just in China alone. And so for us, our business model is really targeting the more international market. Our devices, with regards to 3G and network compatibility, frequency bands, it's a very complex issue with antenna fixation. So we had to develop a device that is workable and compatible with overseas market like the US, Europe, and Southeast Asia. In China, specifically, 4G and 3G is very domestic in terms of their infrastructure.
So to me, it looks like another smartwatch. What do you do differently? I mean, you started off with monitoring safety for kids. Then you had something like video chatting, smart wallet. Like, what exactly are you focusing on? What do you do?
Well, essentially, we want to be the go-to device for many mobile device for kids. The first and foremost, we are a safety and communication device. I mean, most parents are looking for a device that ensures their kids' safety in terms of where the location is. But then as far as features and when we talk about differentiation goes, we really are looking into other aspects like education, payment, and I mentioned also like some third-party vendor content creation. These are things that we believe that can actually create more value to our product.
But then, in terms of safety, what are the indicators you're measuring apart from location, for example? And what correlates to safety by the end?
Well, there is also geofencing where parents can actually set areas within the app. It would also notify the parents whenever the kids are away from this proximity or enters this proximity per se. So you'll also be able to know your kids are at the right places at the right time. I mean, these are push notifications that we will push to the parents through our app.
What's the price point and the carrier subsidy on it?
The price point right now, where our retail is $199 US. Typically, retailers would need about 40% margin, and our distributors would require about 20%. Our gross profit margin is about 60%. And so, I mean, that's something we believe that could also be reduced or increased by economies of scale with volume purchases with our manufacturers.
You mentioned enterprise solutions potentially. They
Correct.
would be.
Well, we have a fitness tracking features where we would track, just like Fitbit, we would track calories burned, steps taken, and all that. So it's similar to how Fitbit and Misfit, they're also working with insurance companies to be able to look at how active each policyholder is and to determine the insurance rate. So that's something that we are looking into. We're working with insurance companies to create enterprise solutions for them as well.
Awesome. Please thank Casper from Doki. High five. There we go.